I'm sure you're seeing all these young kids make millions of dollars online and you want to know how they did it. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys the 5 best online business models that you can start today to start earning money. And honestly, most of these require little to no startup capital. Number 1, affiliate marketing. This is by far the easiest method to start making money for beginners. All you're doing is taking an affiliate product, promote it using an affiliate link, and when someone makes a purchase using your link, you are then going to receive a commission off of it. You can get affiliate links from Amazon for physical products, or for digital products to get affiliate links, you can go to Digistore24. There are 2 main parts of affiliate marketing. One is going to be your platform. All you need is a social media platform, and this could be an Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. With this platform, you're going to make it a theme page related to the niche that you're using your affiliate link for. The key here is that you're going to need to consistently post high quality content every single day in that niche to start growing your platform. The second most important aspect is that you need to show that your content has a value and a need for your customers to want to purchase it. For example, if I take a look at this account that is in the health niche, you're going to see that they are going to be promoting products that have to directly relate to what they are posting with their account. And if you take a look at one of their posts, it's just going to be promoting that you kind of need these products because it has a value to you, and there's a big need for this currently in the health niche. And if we go ahead and take a look at their store, their website that they have in their link in their bio, you're going to see that it's just the products that they're promoting through the content that they are posting every single day. So this is all they're doing, is that they're finding, an affiliate of these products from somewhere else, then they're just kind of branding it, and then they're just kind of reselling it on their website, and they're just taking profits off of it, every commission that they make. Number 2, digital products. This can actually be tied in with affiliate marketing, as you can sell digital products as an affiliate, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own digital products with your own website and make even more money, and it's actually even easier than ever to start making your own digital products nowadays. First, you need to come up with a digital product that you want to create. In this case, I'm going to show you ebooks, and I've written several myself, so these are very easy to make, and I'm just going to show you guys a quick process on how you can create your own ebook. To create an ebook, all you need to use is Canva. It's a free tool and it's very easy to use. You can just go on Canva and literally just type in ebook template, and in seconds you're literally going to get hundreds of different ebook templates that you can choose from. So I would just choose one that kind of looks similar to your niche that you're in. Once you find a good ebook template that you like and is related to your niche, then all you need to do is just start getting to work. And I'm just going to come to show you guys one of the ebooks that I wrote, and to be honest, these don't have to be crazy long. Honestly, like between 10 to 20 pages is fine, because let's be honest, no one really wants to read a lot, but if you're giving them 10 to 15 pages or 20 pages, just make sure it's loaded with value, because the value in the ebook is what's most important. Kind of like this one that's only 14 pages, but it's not that long, however, it has a lot of value in it. And to be honest, you don't have to go that crazy trying to write this whole entire ebook. All you need to do is go to ChatGPT and use it to help you out, and just add your own personal twist on what you're writing. Second, after you create your digital product, you're then going to need a website, and the 2 websites that I'm going to talk about is going to be Beacons and Gumroad. And this is my Beacons website, and it's free to make and it's super user friendly. A website like Beacons is super easy to use. All you need to do is kind of like create a template for your product, and Beacons is going to give you a template. Then you just need to upload your digital product as a file. Then after that, you just need to create a price for it, and then that's it. Your website is already created with one digital product on it, and you can do this for multiple digital products. And if I go over to Gumroad, it's kind of like the same thing. It's just a different user face, so you just gotta need to go through Beacons and Gumroad and see which one you kind of like the best. Number 3, Instagram and TikTok theme pages. An Instagram or TikTok theme page is just a page where you choose a niche and post content in that niche every single day. The most popular niche that you guys probably already know about is the motivational niche, as there are literally tens of thousands of accounts posting motivational videos every single day. With these theme pages, there are a lot of ways to make money with them, but the 2 I'm going to be focusing on is digital products and selling services. However, I just kind of talked about digital products as it kind of ties into these theme pages, but now I'm going to talk about selling services. So if I take a look at this one account and look at their website, obviously they're going to be selling digital products, but look at this. They're selling a 1-hour content strategy call for almost $400, and all they're really doing is just kind of sharing their knowledge or giving like a kind of mentorship to the person. But listen, if this person gets 3 sales, that's already over $1,000 right there. So selling your knowledge or, offering services is a great way to make money with this business model. And trust me, I know it's a lot to charge $400 for one strategy call, but if you take a look at some other accounts like this one I'm going to show you that has over 500,000 followers, I'm sure that they're charging even more money, because look at all the credibility that they have with 500,000 followers, and they're going to be getting a lot of people to reach out with them. So the more followers you have, the more money that you can charge for selling services like content strategy calls or mentorships. And there are a lot of ways to go about this depending what niche you're in. Let's say you're in a content creation niche. Then you can kind of just teach people and sell services on how to edit videos, or with photos, you can teach people how to use Adobe Photoshop. And I'm sure if they don't know, they might pay you to learn how to do this stuff that you know about. Or even people that do Forex or crypto, people will pay them for their own call outs, for certain day trades. And I know it can be overwhelming kind of choosing niche that you want to be in, but I would just choose a niche specific to yourself that you like and enjoy creating content in, because you can't get bored with what you're doing. If you guys are looking for a specific niche to make money in, then honestly the best niche to do that is the business niche, because it's just business and money related. So if your niche is related directly to money, that's going to be the best niche to make money in. Number 4, social media marketing agency, or SMMA. And this is actually the first business model that got Iman Gadzhi running off the ground, where he started making a lot of his money. To sum up this process, you're basically providing marketing services, running ads, or creating contents for big companies, and they pay you to do this for them. But here's the catch. Yes, you can do this all yourself. You can go ahead and make 200 YouTube shorts and sending to these companies and just take all the profits. But something that Iman Gadzhi did was a little bit different, and this helped him scale his business to make a lot of money. So what Iman Gadzhi did was find someone else to do all the work and pay them less than what he was charging the other big companies for. So basically, he was just the middleman managing the process going on. Why this is so smart and really good is because it frees up a lot more time for yourself. So you don't have to spend all day creating ads or creating 300 or 400 shorts for a company. You just find someone else and pay them to do it at a lower rate, and then you just take the profit as a middleman. And at this point, if someone else is doing the work, you literally have all day with nothing to do except find more clients. So let's say you find 10 clients and you charge them $1,000 each. Well, that's $10,000, but for you to do all that work for 10 different companies is going to be a lot. But let's say you find, someone else, 10 other people to do that work, and you only charge them $500. Then that's literally $500 profit on each client that you have, and then there you go. That's $5,000 a month that you can charge for these companies, and you are literally doing no work. You're just managing the people that you hired to do the work for you and just setting the work to the companies. So I think you guys can kind of see this process and paint a picture of what Iman Gadzhi did. And the more clients you get, and if you charge more money for bigger clients, the money just adds up. So this is how Iman Gadzhi went from 5K a month to 10K to 20 to 30K and so on, and just made a lot of his money from the beginning. So this is a great business model with very low risk that you guys can start. The only real problem here is that you have to work hard to find clients. Number 5, drop shipping. This has been one of the most popular ways of making money online for the past 7 years, and we have seen people just like this person, like Jordan Welch and Luke Belmar, make a lot of money off of drop shipping. This is similar to some of the other methods, except now you are selling physical products with your own website, and all you need to do is go on a platform like TikTok or Instagram and just post content promoting the product that you are trying to sell. And once again, if someone purchases your product from your website, then all you do is just buy that product, ship it to them, and then you just take the profit in between. The one aspect about dropshipping is that yes, there can be some risk with shipping physical products, as people have had a lot of problems depending, where they buy the product from, which is why this is kind of lower on the list, but there is a lot of potential to make a lot of money with dropshipping. The best website to create your own store on is Shopify, and yes, it is going to cost you some money, and to be honest, to start dropshipping, you're going to need a little startup capital. I would say honestly at least $1,000 if you're going to be serious, between running your store and running ads to help get sales early on, because dropshipping can take some time if you're going to go the organic way and just wait to get a lot of followers to make sales, and that's when a lot of people quit. But you can post some ads in the beginning too. So yeah, Shopify is the best website, and you're going to need some startup capital for dropshipping. After going through all of these 5 business models to make money online, this is what I really want to leave you guys with, and that is you need to have patience and persistence with each business model. You can't just try something for 2 months, it gets hard, you quit, then you try a new business model for another 2 months, it gets hard, you quit, and then you just get in a routine of trying and quitting every 1 to 2 months. Because to be honest, to actually do well and make money with these models, it's going to take, honestly, between like 6 to 18 months depending on your progress and what you do. So what you're going to need is the right mindset and strategy with whatever business model you choose. And you need to expect hard times and moments where you're going to think about quitting almost every single day, but you just gotta push through and come up with a new plan on what you can do to make yourself in a better position to actually succeed with this business. But once you quit, then that's it. You can't make any money, because let me tell you, every business model works. There's people making money with them. It's just that you're quitting too soon and you're not doing the right strategy plan. So you need to have the right mindset with whatever business model you choose. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow me on all my platforms like Instagram and TikTok. I also have a free Discord server. Make sure to join that through the link in the description down below. Also, make sure you guys check out my other videos that I have on my YouTube channel. Leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you in the next one.